zitten alle hier. Kinderheint is Hanneke und de vis bei hier. Zittert dat de lichtelijk zitten alle hier. Kinderheint is Hanneke und de vis bei hier. Zittert dat de lichtelijk zitten alle hier. Wir sind in Hanneke lichtlich, wir sind alle da. Alle Nachten Hanneke sind uns gefahren. Wir sind in Hanneke lichtlich, wir sind alle da. Alle Nachten Hanneke sind uns gefahren. Wir sind in Hanneke lichtlich, wir sind alle da. Alle Nachten Hanneke sind uns gefahren. Wir sind in Hanneke lichtlich, wir sind alle da. Alle Nachten Hanneke sind uns gefahren. Wer kann erzählen jüdische Gewurre von Amor? In jedem Dorf ein Held steht auf unser Volk. Wer kann erzählen jüdische Gewurre von Amor? In jedem Dorf ein Held steht auf unser Volk. Schwert in Hand. Ist ruhig im Kampf am Gegenfeind. Gerade wird das jüdisch Volk und Land. Geblieben ist so Jontef noch bis heint. Wer kennt erzählen jüdische Gewurre von Amor? In jedem Dorf ein Herz steht auf unser Volk. Wer kennt erzählen jüdische Gewurre von Amor? In jedem Dorf ein Herz steht auf unser Volk.
Geld. I have told you how I felt. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, Hanukkah Geld. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, Hanukkah Geld. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, 11 and 7. Hanukkah Geld, so dance me to heaven. Tickle me, feed me a pickle me peach. Makes me love myself, self, self. Makes me love myself, self, self.
Kulam fina weiß in Chanukah. Nur als a Chanukah ich versteh, wie die dreieitlich klingen in die Kinder singen, in die Lichtlich brennen in die Schnee. Ich hole von a weißen Chanukah, mit jeden Chanukah-Brief ich schreib. Seid gewünscht in glücklich in a fein, sollen euer Chanukah-Tag bei sein. Ich hole von a weißen Chanukah, nur als a Chanukah ich versteh, wie die dreieitlich klingen in die Kinder singen, in die Lichtlich brennen in die Schnee. Ich hole von a weißen Chanukah, mit jeden Chanukah-Brief ich schreib. Seid gewünscht in glücklich in a fein, sollen euer Chanukah-Tag bei sein. Von a weißen Chanukah, mit jeden Chanukah-Brief ich schreib. Seid gewünscht in glücklich in a fein, sollen euer Chanukah-Tag bei
Thank you, Michael, for the PowerPoint. Thank you. Okay, so the entertainment section is finished. Unless someone wants to sing, I promised Cookie. Cookie.
I could sing.
Okay, please.
Can
Please.
you hear me okay?
Yes?
Okay. Oi Chanukah, oi Yom Tov Sheiner, a lustige freilich eine Tonne Chaseiner, alle Nacht mit Redlach spielen mir, zu der heiße Latkes essen an Oshir, geschwinter, das Zinter, das Dinnen kellich lachen, set alle Chanesim, lobt Gott vor den Nesim, und kommt gehe tanzen in Korn. Set alle Chanesim, lobt Gott vor den Nesim, und kommt gehe tanzen in Korn.
Thank you, Marsha. Anyone else wants to sing? No. Okay, Cookie.
You don't want me to sing.
Sorry?
You don't want me to sing.
We can try. No. Okay, Marie, if you want, you are all muted, so just so you know.
Raphael.
Raphael, it's up to him if he wants to sing.
Ich kann singen, Borachata singt der Tate, Aber
Okay.
ich darf erst gefunden die Werte. Mit der Wartnis.
Okay, met wacht na po meneer.
Is Raphael going to sing it?
Yes,
Oh, good.
he's just looking up. He's just looking up the words.
And while you wait,
Good.
you can get a look at Morris, who has the best costume for the day.
Maurice.
Okay,
But my battery is dead, so no lights.
Ah, okay.
Es ist doch nicht Purim.
Okay, Raphael, please.
Baruch Ate, singt der Tate, unerzint die Licht, und die Strahlen milde fallen auf sein blass Gesicht. Und a Feier, heilig Teier, in die Augen leicht. Und der mit die Glieder hat sich ausgegleicht. Und es dacht sich, und es tracht sich, es ist noch etwas da. Es ist Leben, was zu lieben, heilig ist die Schau. Alte Klangen, lang vergangen, nein, es klingt noch Zind. Sing je Tate, Baruch Ate, und ich bleib dein Kind.
Thank you. Thank you.
My mother
Cookie,
singing that song. Thank you.
Cookie, I promised you to sing, but you're muted. You are muted, Cookie. Can you unmute her, Michael?
No,
we
but I
can't
clicked
hear.
on the button. Cookie, you should
Yeah.
have a pop-up that allows you to unmute.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay, Cookie, one song.
Ay Hanukkah, Hayom Tov Hashem, a lustige, a freudige, nicht du noch a Säune. Jede Nacht in Dreidla spiele mir, zu die Käselachis, Esmen und Aschi, Geschwinde sind Kinder, die dinke Lichterlechon. Oi, singt al Hanissim, weil Gott Fadinissim, kommt ich tanzen in Korn. Oi, singt al Hanissim, weil Gott Fadinissim, und kommt ich tanzen in Korn.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
In English too, but I didn't think you'd want it in English. But I'll tell you.
Okay, no, Yiddish. Okay, I think that's okay. Let's move on to the story. This week, Mariv sent me the story, so we have to thank Mariv.
I want to say something.
Okay.
Singing these songs like this and reading Hanukkah brings me back to my childhood and listening to my parents in the Lyceum reading Yiddish Mainzes about Hanukkah and singing Yiddish Hanukkah songs in the Arbitrary in the South.
Henrietta, when did that arbiter ring
Is it big
cease to
enough?
function?
Okay. So a Hanukkah lamp. Let's start. Elaine, can you start? Just check if you're not muted, people.
Okay. Es ist doch Chanukah, welch euch der Zählen. The spelling is weird, but via Zoe Ayid
Yored.
Yored lo alechem
לא עליכם.
hat sich einmal gerativet durch Chanukah Lempel. I'll try. Okay, it's
Oi, I think no, that's not the story. Oy,
Yeah,
guys,
it's not the right
it's not
one.
the story. It's another.
Frankie's Chanukah
I
Lempel.
got Frankie's Chanukah menorah.
I know,
Das
it's
ist
not the
der
story.
richtige Meise.
It's not the story. It's another.
Is it farther up? Did you go too far down in the document?
I think we should make
Yes,
Elaine, I
so,
think we should make Elaine translate it anyway.
Mariv, I will need you because I
Okay.
didn't open the right story.
Yeah, hold on, I'll get it. Hold on.
So which one are we going to read?
Frankie's.
The one
We're
that I
gonna
sent
read
you.
Frankie's.
Frankie's Hanukkah menorah. So
Oh, the
Oh,
Frankie's.
I have it up
didn't-
if you want to share it, if you want me to share it.
I've got it. Hold on,
Okay.
I'm just.
yeah, because Mariv is already co-host, so she can do it. I just
Right.
opened the wrong one.
Right?
Yes,
Frankie,
that's it.
there we
Please.
go.
Okay, Elaine, this will be easier.
okay.
The other one was Paris.
Frankie's Chanukah menorah. Frankie's Chanukah menorah. Die Meise, was ich gehe euch dort erzählen, hat getroffen mit zwei jüdische Jünglich in die Tag von, want me to do it in Yiddish?
Ja.
If you can.
1849,
Good.
wenn in Amerika is given a Gelaf in der Weiter West zu suchen Gold. Okay, I think I can do it. I didn't have a chance to look at it. A story which I'm gonna tell you happened with two Jews, Jewish young men met in the
Young boys.
In a day of in the days of 1849, when in America there was Gilaf, don't know what that is, rush.
A rush.
A rush. Got it. Okay. In the Wild West, Weiter or Wide West, to look for gold.
Yeah. Would you like to continue?
Sure, I'll try.
Please.
Okay.
Please.
Die Tates von die zwei jüdische Jünglich haben sich gehalten weit und fremd einer von anderen, Gott sei seinen Gewinn Passagieren auf der selbiger Schiff. I'll stop there. Okay. So the fathers of the two young Jewish boys, young boys, gehalten, understood?
No.
Were estranged.
Were estranged?
Yes.
Okay. Estranged they were estranged from one another.
Yes.
So they were
Yeah, Yiddish first. You didn't read this yet. Was hot.
But no, I didn't get ze seinen Gewinn. That's above. So they were passengers on the same ship.
Oh,
Yes,
sorry.
good.
Okay. Was hat geführt Goldsuchers von New York kein San Francisco that was carrying gold seekers
Mm-hmm.
from New York to San Francisco. Die zwei Jüngler, the two young boys, Frankie and Shmulik, seien geworden neunte Freien bald. They soon became good close friends. Von ersten Blick nicht nur weil sie seinen gewinn die einzige jüdische Kinder auf der Schiff. Okay, so where did I they became very close friends from the beginning, from the very beginning. I don't know what Blick is.
Look, from the
From the
first,
first
Oh,
look.
from the first look.
Yeah.
Not only because they were each they were the only Jewish children on the ship. I don't know, I didn't get every word, but that's the
Yeah,
sen-
but that's okay. That's okay.
okay. Nur derfar, weil kein andere Kinder seien auf der Schiff nicht gewesen. Or actually, there were no other children on the ship.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
What's
good.
derfar? Therefore
Therefore, because.
Uh-huh.
and nor. I
Nor.
never know those little nor and noch and doch and I just, what is nor? Only?
Only.
Depending on where it's used.
Yeah, exactly. Depends. But here
I mean,
So it's like-
it's a jolly joker.
Okay, all right.
so
So, but
not
yeah.
only here it's not only because.
Oh, it's not only because they were the only children,
It
yeah.
was
children
because they
on-
were the only children. It
Because
was-
there is the nicht here. Yeah.
No,
Okay,
it's
Rochelle.
nicht. Is it not only? Maybe not, because there were no other children on the
Yeah,
ship.
yeah, that's
Okay.
it. Yeah. Okay. Rochelle, will you continue?
Frankies Futter, Mr. Mannheim, ist nicht gewinn zufrieden, wo sein Sohn spielt sich mit an eurem Jüngel von a polnischen Norvos?
Norvos.
Oh, Norvos.
Norvos.
A rübergekommenem Immigrant, was redt kaum Englisch und mit a schlechten accent. Okay, Frankie's father was not happy that his son was playing with a poor boy from Poland that came over as an immigrant.
Norvos that just only came over.
That only just came over as an immigrant that doesn't speak English, but barely speaks English with a bad accent.
Go on, please.
Okay, Frankie's Vater is allein gewesen an Immigrant, doch hat sich gehalten hecher von Shmulik's Vater. Even though Frankie's father was also an immigrant, he held himself higher than Shmulik's father. Mr. Mannheim, is gekommen von Deutschland. He, Mr. Mannheim, came from Germany. Is gewesen reich, he was rich, und is euch a Gedichter Ingenieur.
No, engineer.
Engineer.
A geendigter engineer.
A geendigter engineer, graduated engineer von a deutschen Universität, wie an Ingenieur ab Pachmann.
Fachman.
A Fachman had,
You want to translate before we go to the next page?
okay, he was
As be an engineer.
he was
As an
rich,
engineer.
and he was
What is Fachman?
so a graduate engineer from the university.
A
The
German university.
A German university, wie an engineer, a Fachmann, an engineer, a Fach is a job,
It's like a Baal
a
Meluche.
professional, okay.
Professional.
Hat sich gelost suchen Gold. He went to look for gold. Aber wie kommt Schmuliks Vater, der polnische Jid, zu losen sich in der weiter Welt suchen Gold? But where does it, how come Shmulik's father is wandering through the world to look for gold? Was meint der polnische Jid? What does he think, this Polish Jew? As man can lernen Gemorre, that you can learn Gemorre, kann man schon wissen, wie soll zu suchen Gold? That if you know how to learn Gemorre, you already know how to look for gold?
Okay, thank you, Rochelle.
Okay.
But I just want to mention here that, you know, the tension between the German Jews that came earlier to the United States and were more educated, and the immigration of Polish and Russian Jews that were, you know, they were more religious, they were less educated, and there was a lot of tension between those two groups. And the German Jews thought about them, you know, first they looked down on them, and second, they were afraid that they are giving the Jews a really bad name.
That's why they encouraged them to go to Texas.
But they also spent a lot of money to make schools for them to learn English and trades, and in the end, they helped out so that they would keep the reputation up and not, you know, not to try and avoid getting a bad name from these.
Yeah. So we have all this, we add in 2 sentences, all this history we have here condensed into 2 sentences. So, okay, Beverly, go on. Jede Nacht. Beverly, but you have to unmute yourself.
I'm sorry, did you call me?
Yes, yes, please. I said if you can continue. Jede Nacht.
Yeah, I didn't hear. Jede Nacht hat Mannheim gerät zu sein Sohn Frankie. Very night, Mannheim talked to his son Frankie. First of all, the name Frankie already, you know.
Yeah.
That it's not a Jewish name. Az soll sich nicht spielen mit Shmuliken. And that he shouldn't play with this boy named Shmulik. Es passt nicht. It doesn't fit. It's a hard thing to translate, but it doesn't fit. Frankie fleckt jedemal zu sagen sein Vater. His Vater. Frankie every time told his father, as wird sich schon mehr nicht spielen mit Shmulik, that he's not going to play anymore with this boy, Shmulik. Aber wie nur is heraus von sein Kabine, but every time that he left his cabin, hat bald vergessen sein Susan. He right away forgot his promise. Und bald gelaufen aufsuchen Shmulik und verbringen mit ihm. And he went to look for him and he played with him, I guess. Or he was hung out with him.
Yeah.
Seine Eltern haben ihm gerufen essen, until his parents called him to eat. Der Shmulik hat vergeschäft unser Jingel. Oh, how do you translate that? The father must be saying that, or
yeah. He put a spell
on him.
Put a spell on our little boy. Hat Mannheim gerät mit Verdruss zu sein Weib. That he said this with the anger or insulting to his wife.
So just a minute, Beverly. Fardrus is, there is a nuance to it.
Yeah.
Can someone just, because it's not really anger.
No, Fadrus is if you're insulted.
Frustration.
What?
Frustration.
Frustration?
Frustration can also.
Annoyance.
Maurice, can you?
Yeah, I think frustration is good.
Frustration is good here because it's not really anger, Fardrus.
Right.
Yeah. Frustration. Okay. Thanks, Nelly.
But if you have a Fadrus on somebody, you have like you're insulted. I think it was
It
insult.
could just be resentment.
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 Then it came Fadros, yeah.
By Nacht in der Kaitu, Kaite, what is that? What's Kaite?
Coyote.
Coyote?
No, Cayuta. Cayuta is the cabin on a ship.
Oh, okay. At night in the cabin, will ich sich abrechnen mit Frankin, fahr nicht halten kein Wort. Tonight in the cabin, I will, I don't know how, talk to him why he didn't hold his word. Abrechnen, I don't know how you translate abrechnen.
Straighten it out.
What?
Straighten it
Oh,
out.
straight it out, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds like a cognate to reckon. You know, we're
Yes.
gonna have a reckoning.
That's a better word.
Okay, Cookie, you have some.
I just wanted to say on the word ispasnit, it's not that it doesn't fit, like your shoe doesn't fit.
Right.
It's not befitting. It's a different word in English. It's not befitting. It's like I would come in late at night, 5 o'clock in the morning, says my Kind, ich weiß, dass es ist gut, ob es passt nicht da reinzukommen, also ich spät das Schönem sehen.
Right, it's not,
Doesn't look good.
not look good.
Doesn't look good.
Not fitting. It's a different, thing. Then it doesn't fit. I just want
You're
that word was used often in my house.
Okay. Thank you, Cookie. Louisa?
Yeah, I have a question about a word in the previous line, previous passage, a previous paragraph. Verbringen.
Spend time.
Spending time, exactly.
Spend time with each other.
Exactly. Thank you.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Okay, go on, Beverly.
So the wife answers, was willst du von deinem Kind? What do you want from this child? Hat Frau Mannheim still gerät zu ihr Mann. Mrs. Mannheim quietly spoke to her husband. Wenn auf der Schiff wollten gewähren andere Kinder, well, if there were other children on the ship, wollte sich gespielt mit sie. He would play with them. A Kind darf sich doch spielen. A child has to play.
Okay. Thank you, Beverly.
Beautiful Yiddish.
Yeah, thank you. Louisa, yes?
Yeah, I have another question. They're
Okay.
going on a ship, but they're going from from New York to San Francisco, right? On a
Yes,
ship.
yes.
Which way were they going? Through the,
They don't say. They don't
Through
say
the-
whether it was around South America or through the Panama Canal. It could be-
And
there
there was
was
no
no
Panama
Panama.
Canal back then.
That's
Okay,
right.
so around the south of
only way to
South
go.
America.
Yeah.
That's how they
Yeah.
used to
That's a
go
long-
in the beginning.
That's a long,
Yeah,
long
but
ride.
otherwise, going through America, through the prairies, it was very dangerous at the time.
Yeah.
It was extremely dangerous at the time, going with the wagons through the prairies.
So they had to deal with the end of South America to get all the way to San Francisco. That is amazing.
Yeah, it took weeks. Yeah, it was a
Yeah.
big trip.
Yeah.
And dangerous on the sea because the Magellan Straits are very rough. So
Yep.
Yeah, but probably they were not as rough as encountering, Indian tribes at the time.
oh, you're right. You're right.
So that was another consideration.
You're right.
Oh,
Thank
okay,
you.
Rafael, can you continue? Gedenk, Frankie?
Gedenk Frankie, Fleck Mannheim Warnen sein Sohn. Just remember, Frankie, Mannheim used to warn his son. Wir wollen verlassen die Schiff. As soon as we get off the ship, is Eis Shmulik. There's going to be no more Shmulik. Du hörst? You hear me? Es ist aber nicht geworden als Shmulik. But Shmulik did not disappear. Es hat sich also gemacht, it happened, als das Ort, wo Mannheim hat aufgestellt sein Gezelt, sein Bedel, ist gewähnt zum Gezelt von die Aronsons. It turned out that the place where Mannheim set up his tent, or his shack as a prospector in California, was close to the tent where the Aronsons, Shmulik's Eltern, from the Aronsons, Shmulik's Eltern, close to the tent of the Aronsons, and that was Shmulik's parents. Sehr beis is Mannheim geworden. Mannheim was quite annoyed when hat der Zen, when he caught sight of it. Als der Polischer Jid, Aronson, hat euch eingestellt, leben sein gezelt, a show, when he saw that the Polish Jew, Aronson, had also set up next to his tent a prayer house, some davening, for davening. Hat der Pfarrer beschlossen zu suchen a weiter Ort von sein Gezelt. So he, Mannheim, therefore decided to look for a place farther away for his tent. Das wird euch der Weiteren sein Frankie von dem Shmuliken. And this would also distance his Frankie from that Shmulik. Aber es tut sich nicht so leicht. But that wasn't so easy, wie es tracht sich, as just thinking about it. Azoi, wir seien sich angefahrene Sachmenschen zu suchen galt, seeing as there were a lot of people who had traveled there to search for gold, is geworden schwer zu kriegen Platz, aufzustellen a Gezelt. It became difficult to find a place to set up a tent. Euch seien die Lebensmitteln gestiegen, sehr hoch. Also, the expenses of Lebensmittel, I'm going to translate as just household expenses, had gotten very, the costs had gone very high. Aber kein Gold hat man also leicht nicht gefunden. But it wasn't so easy to find gold. Wie Mannheim hat sich gehabt vorgestellt, as Mannheim had imagined. Then hat verlassen seine Fabrik in Baltimore when he had left his factory back in Baltimore. Seine Methoden und Maschinen, was hat mitgebracht, haben ihm nicht geholfen zu gewinnen Gold. The methods and the machines that he had brought along had not helped him find gold. Andere, was haben keine Maschinen nicht genutzt, but other people who were not using any machines, nur haben gegraben mit Lopetes und mit die Hand, but who were just digging with shovels and with their hands, haben gehabt mehr Mazel zu gewinnen dem blitzschendicken Metall, had more luck to find the glittering metal.
Okay, thank you. Any question until now? Okay, so Luisa, can you continue from Mannheim?
Thank you. Mannheim ist geblieben eingesperrt. So Mannheim remained, I'm going to say, angry?
Stubborn.
No, Akshan.
Stubborn.
Stubborn. Hat sich nicht gewollt absagen von seinen Methoden. He did not want to be persuaded out of his methods or something like that? Out of his methods?
You want to give them up.
Talked out of his method?
Yeah, to give
Right.
up his methods. Yeah, Maurice said, yeah.
Ist geblieben allein. He remained alone. Das Geld, was hat mitgebracht, ist ausgerunnen. The money that he had brought had run out. Afilu das Zierung, was sein Weib hat gebracht, hat gemusst verkaufen. Even is it diamond?
No, Zierung is like jewelry.
So even the jewelry that his wife had brought, he had to sell. Sein Lage ist geboren sehr schlecht. Sein Lage, I don't know what that is.
Situation.
Situation. Thank you. Became very bad. You want me to go on?
Yeah, please.
Der Zorn zu sein Engel ist geboren groß. The, I don't know what Zorn would be. To his son became big, but what is Zorn?
Worry?
Anger.
Ah, like
Maybe.
Tzarot?
No, I think it's anger. I think it's anger.
Okay, thank you. The anger towards his son got big or worse, wenn hat ihm gesehen, sich habern mit Shmulik. So he was even angrier when he saw him playing or being friends with Shmulik. Noch beiser ist geworden, wenn ist geworden. So so even worse, he got even angrier. Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Yes.
He got even angrier when is geboren. That one I've never heard
Found
before.
out.
When he found out.
Found out as Shmulik's Vater Aronson hat groß Mazel beim Suchen Gold. When he found out that Shmulik's father, Aronson, had great luck in looking for gold.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
This geboren, that's like when you say, I was born, geboren.
No, that's geboren.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's geboren.
Aware.
Okay, but
aware.
So what is
So was made aware
He
of.
became aware.
I have a question. If they went on the boat, where did they look for the gold?
When
in
they
the
reached
up in the hills. It was in the hills of
And they got there.
beyond San Francisco, around Sacramento.
Oh,
they didn't look on the boat. They looked when they reached reached California.
Yeah.
Okay.
I still don't understand. Why is it geboren? Why are there two similar words there?
It became known. I think Gavorin must be rooted in
aware. Became
So
aware.
they're really completely two different words, even though they
Right.
sound alike.
That's
Okay,
right.
thank you.
So what is Gebor?
So just a moment. I see
Aware.
Rafael raised his hand, so please.
Yeah, they do sound the same, but Gevor is like the English word aware, and it's an adjective. Gevoren is the participle of werden, to become.
Right.
And so they became aware, and it just turns
Okay.
out that they sound similar.
Just
And
an accident that they sound alike. Okay.
that's right.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Okay. Just another paragraph, Luisa.
Einmal in an oven is Frankie at one time in an what is oven? An oven?
Evening.
Evening. What is the word for oven? Isn't it a similar word? Oven. Okay.
Oven.
So this is even. Okay.
Even.
Evening. Einmal in an oven in an evening is Frankie Stillerheit rein zu Schmuliken in Gezelt. So one evening, Frankie quietly went inside Schmulik's tent, right?
Yes.
Right.
Dorten der Sena Menora mit 8 Okay, so there he saw a menorah mit 8 Rerlech und über die 8 noch ein Rerl. So he saw this menorah with 8 arms. How do we call it?
A rerl is a pipe.
Pipe with 8.
A rerl is a pipe. I don't know if you can translate it differently here.
Pipe, okay.
Tube.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. With 8 pipes, and over it, over the 8th, another pipe. Also Menora hat noch keinmal früher nicht gehabt gesehen. So such a menorah he had never before seen. How the interesting construction gehabt gesehen, had not seen, right, Rafael?
Right.
Yes.
Both
Okay.
is- Okay, thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Any question until now?
So gehabt gesehen, it's a past participle,
That's
right?
right.
But is that a usual construction?
It's not common.
What is usually used for
They
instead
just,
of
usually they'll use the word früher to
Yeah.
indicate that it's the past before the past.
früher
Früher,
nicht gesehen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Er hat ihm früher gesagt. He had told him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Rafael, can you add to it, please?
Yeah, this is the past perfect tense, which you almost only find in literary Yiddish, not in spoken Yiddish. And it's
Right.
pretty rare even in literary Yiddish.
Right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Alvin, can you continue the next paragraph? Was ist das?
Ja.
Okay.
Was ist das? What is this? Hat Frankie gefragt. Frankie asked. Es ist nicht gewesen endlich zu die leichte, was Schmuliks Mutter since is zij ligt alle Freitag vanaf. What is this, Frankie? Frankie asked. It is not the. It is not the.
Similar. Similar.
It's not similar to the. It's not similar to the lights that Shmulik's mother.
Candle holder.
Lit in the licht every Friday night.
So it's not similar to the candles that his mother is. Yeah. Okay. Can you another paragraph, please?
Yeah, this is a Hanukkah menorah. This is a Hanukkah menorah. Hat Shmulik declared sein Chaver Frankie. This is a Hanukkah menorah. Shmulik explained to friend Frankie. Heint is Hanukkah. Tonight is Hanukkah. Heint since on das erste Hanukkah lichtel. Tonight's Hanukkah, and tonight we light the first Hanukkah candle. Frankie hat gar nicht geantwortet. Ist geblieben still und ungewahrt. Frankie
didn't say anything.
Didn't answer. He remained quiet and was
Waited.
And waited.
Okay, thank you, Alvin.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Claire, can you continue? Claire, just check if you're muted. You're muted. You are muted, Claire. Unmute yourself.
No, she's not muted anymore.
Now
Okay,
it's
now.
okay?
Yeah.
Now it's okay. Roy
Okay.
Aronson. Roy Aronson.
Roy Aronson hat reingegossen Bäumel in die Rerlech. Mrs. Aronson poured oil in the, what did you say, tubes?
Tubes, yeah.
Okay. Hat gleich gemacht die Kneidler. Immediately she made the, was is the Kneidler?
So it's not immediately. I think
Gleich,
here it's
hat gleich.
Oh,
here,
but she
the
probably
Kneidler,
straightened out the wicks.
yeah, so
The
she
wicks, the
straightened them.
wicks. Ah,
Yeah.
ja. Ja. Und Schmuliks Vater hat heuch auf a Kohl gesagt, die Broche und angezünden das erste Chanukka-Lichtel. Wait a minute, where did we stop? And Shmulik's father hat heuch auf a Kohl. Loudly, he said the broche, and he lit the first Hanukkah candle, und alle in gezelt haben gesagt Amen. And everyone in the tent said Amen.
Okay, before you continue, I see that Elaine is her hand up. Elaine?
Unmute, Elaine. You're muted.
Can you go back to gleich? I didn't quite get hat gleich gemacht.
Immediately did.
She straightened
Straightened.
Here,
Ah,
she
got it.
straightened
The wick.
the wick.
wick.
Yeah.
Ja,
Got it.
ja.
Thank you.
Okay, go on, Claire.
Auf a zweiten Tisch ist gestanden noch a Chanukka Menorah. On the second table stood one more Chanukka Menorah. Das ist gewesen die Menorah für Shmuliken. That was the Menorah for Shmulik. Als der Vater hat geendigt sein Chanukka-Lichtbändchen, as soon as the father ended his the blessing of the Hanukkah Licht candles, seinen Shmulik und seinen Eltern zugegangen zum zweiten Tisch. So wait a minute. Sein Hanukkah Licht. Where did I start? Where do I have to? The father? As soon as the father finished sein Hanukkah Lichtbändchen, the blessings, seinen Shmulik. So Shmulik und seine Eltern. Shmulik and his parents, seinen zugegangen, came towards the second table. Und der kleine Shmulik hat von Asido gesagt die Broches. And the small Shmulik said from the Siddur the blessings und gebencht Hanukkah Licht. And he blessed the Hanukkah candles. Hat angezünden das ersten Hanukkah Lichtel. He lit the first Hanukkah candle, und wieder haben alle gesagt Amen. And again, all said Amen.
Okay, thank you, Claire. Thanks. Refoilia?
Yeah, I just want to point out that the verb zogen is the verb that's always used for reciting prayers. It could be that he sang them, but you might want to translate zogen here as recite and not say, because it can be to like the Haftorah, Mizokt Haftorah, even though it's always chanted. And so it can be to chant, it can be to recite, it can be to say, but it's always the verb used for prayers.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Morty, will you continue, please? Frankie is gestanden.
Frankie is gestanden vergaft. Frankie stood amazed. Wo hat gesehen, hat ihm azoi begeistert. What he saw had him so
Gestohlen vergaft. What is vergaft?
He just say amazed.
What?
Amazed.
Impressed, amazed.
מופתע.
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 Okay.
Good. Was hat gesehen, hat ihm so begeistert. What he saw had him so impressed, as hat nicht gekannt, that he wasn't able, hat nicht gekannt reden, he wasn't able to talk. Hat sich schier nicht zerweint. He almost started crying. Hat gewollt herausläufen, man soll nicht sehen seine Tränen. He wanted to run away so that nobody would see his tears. Aber Shmulik's Vater hat ihm verhalten. But Shmulik's father held him up. Wohin läufst du, Frankie? Where are you running, Frankie? Von my house geht man nicht heraus ohne Chanukah Dreidel. From my house nobody leaves without Chanukah Dreidel. Una Chanukah Latkes, without Chanukah pancakes. Hat sich hereingemischt Frau Aronson. Said without the Chanukah pancake, Mrs. Aronson got mixed in. Shmulik hat erklärt Frankie, wie soll man spielt den Dreidel. Shmulik explained to Frankie how to play with the dreidel. Und die Mutter hat zugetragen Frankie so dick heiße Latkes. And the mother brought boiling hot latkes.
Sizzling.
Huh?
Sizzling, yeah.
Yeah. Azelige Geschmacke Latkes hat noch nicht gegessen. Such tasty latkes he had never eaten before. Noch Nessen hat man gespielt in Dreidel. After eating, they played with the dreidel. Es ist geworden spät. It got late. Frankie hat sich geklieben, heimzugehen. Frankie got ready to go home. Du hat sich abgerufen Shmulik's Vater und gesucht. Here, Shmulik's father started to say, either du gehst daheim, Frankie, before you go home, Frankie, nimm mit a Chanukah menorah. Take one a Chanukah menorah. The zwei menorahs was du siehst, the two menorahs that you see, sind von unsere Eltern. They belonged to our ancestors, to our parents. Wir haben aber noch a Chanukah menorah. We also, however, we have another Hanukkah menorah, was wir allein haben gekauft, that we ourselves purchased. The menorah borgen mir dir. We lend you the menorah. Nimm sie heim, take it home. Ob du willst, können sie bleiben bei dir wie unser Matun. And if you like it, if you want to, you can keep it as our gift. Wir wollen dir euch mitgeben a Siddur. We will also give you a Siddur, a prayer book, that dein Futter mit dir können sagen die Bruches, so that your father will be able with you to say the blessings. That men bei euch in Heus, so that in your house können Menschen Chanukah legt, so that in your house you will also be able to bless the Chanukah candles.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Morty. David, can you continue? David Katz.
Ja, Hanneke. Ja. Glücklicher ein Ungeladener mit der Menorah und mit dem Siddur ist Frankie gelaufen nach ihm. A happy loaded, I guess, I don't know a good way, ungeladener. with the menorah. He's carrying the menorah with the Seder. He is carrying all these things, and and he ran home. Mit Freud is er rein in sehr gezelt. With happily, he is into their I guess they're like tent.
Tent, it's a tent. Gezelt
Yeah.
is tent.
Hat getroffen, seine Eltern sitzen sehr vertreuert. He found his parents sitting very I guess gloomy, I guess.
Sad.
Hat bald ausgerufen auf a call. He called out, he quickly called out loud. Papa, ich hab gespielt in Dreidel. Dad, Papa, I played Dreidel. Ich hab gegessen Latkes und du, Papa, musst benchen. I ate latkes and you must bench. Hanukkah lied. Heint is doch Hanukkah bei uns. You have to bless the Hanukkah lights, candles, and today is Hanukkah for us. Ich will as bei uns soll sein Hanukkah, wie bei Shmueliken in gezelt. I want that for us there should be a Hanukkah just like Shmulik has in his tent. Frankie is aufgefallen sein Vater auf den Hals und sich zerweint. Frankie took his father around. I guess he hugged his father on the neck, around the neck. He embraced his father around the neck and cried.
He fell on his neck, yeah. He fell.
Fell on his neck, yeah.
Go on another paragraph, please.
Yeah. Frankie's reinkommen in Huis und sein zu weinen sie, hat so geirrt seine Eltern. Frankie's coming,
Into the house.
his entrance in the house in their home, and his bursting out crying really moved his parents. So moved his parents. As der Vater und die Mutter haben sich euch zuwendet. That both father and mother burst out crying too.
Okay, thank you, David. Feigl, can you continue?
Der Erste hat sich beruhigt, Frankie. Hat niedergestellt sein Menorah auf den Tisch, reingegossen Bäumel in die Rehrle. So this moved Frankie so much. He put his menorah onto the table, poured oil into the tubes. Hat angenommen sein Vater bei der Hand. He took his father by the hand, ihm zugeführt zu der Menorah, and he led him to the Menorah. Und ihm gegeben dem Siddur, and he gave him the prayer book. Die Mutter is zugekommen zu der Menorah, und ihre Augen haben gescheint von Freude. His mother came to the table, to the menorah, and her eyes shined with tears. Mit der Zitterdicker.
With
happiness. Sorry, with joy.
Happiness, with happiness.
Okay.
Yes, with joy.
Mit der Zitterdicker Hand hat Frankies Vater geöffnet dem Siddur. With a trembling hand, Frankie's father opened the prayer book, still gesagt die Brachas und ungezündet das erste Hanukkah Lichtel. And he quietly recited the benedictions and lit the first Hanukkah candle in Frankie's Hanukkah menorah, Was der Polische Yid, der neue Immigrant, hat ihm gegeben a matana, which the Polish Jew, the new immigrant, had given as a gift.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Maris, you can
Okay.
stop the sharing.
Yeah.
They're shame. They're
That's
shame.
the end
They're
of,
saying.
What
shame.
that's the end.
story?
I have only one question. How many Jews do you think were looking for gold? It's not working in my mind.
There were quite a few, including the guy who invented blue jeans. What's his name?
Levi.
He was one of them. And actually the Jews and some of the others found that they did much better buying and selling supplies for the gold miners than they did actually digging for it. And that's why he started that business and it became so successful.
Well, that makes more sense than,
And then-
digging the earth. It just doesn't.
Yeah, and then they all went back to San Francisco and started some of the first businesses there, which are still in Jewish.
stores.
Yep,
Department stores, a lot
Yep.
of the stores.
yeah.
Which ones? Which ones?
I forget which ones are owned by Jews, but a number of the big ones in
I
San
think
Francisco.
Elaine said something. Elaine, which one did you
Yeah,
say?
what did you?
I don't know. I said the department. I don't know. Was Gump Jewish? Sounds like it could be Jewish or German. I don't know. But Gump's is a really big department.
I don't know if
Been
we
to
have a
San
Gumps in
Francisco
San
for a-
Francisco.
Yeah, I haven't been to San Francisco for a really long time, but
Well-
Gump's, last time I was there, Gump's was really big.
Fagel, yes, Fagel.
Yeah, the new mayor of San Francisco, I think he's descended from the Levi Strauss family. He's a rich Jew. I think he just won. He
They're
just
still
became the new
major
mayor this
donors
last
for a
election.
lot of stuff. They give money to all kinds of.
Is his name Strauss?
No, it's I think his mother maybe
Yeah.
who's connected on his mother. He has a different surname.
Okay. Any comments? Any other
Well,
things
yeah,
about the
I was
story?
like,
Ich habe Ensfair. Ich habe ein Ensfair. Ich habe gesucht Reb Google. Und Reb Google hat gesagt, ja, Solomon Gump, the founder of Gumps, was Jewish.
Okay, good.
I
Good
think
to know.
isn't Macy's also? I think.
oh, I
Yeah,
don't
but
I don't
Macy's,
know.
Macy's started in New York. I mean, yeah, Macy's.
Right.
Neiman.
But
Neiman Marcus is Texas, and they're Jewish, I think.
yeah,
Almost positive. No?
that's a lot of them.
Yeah. And
Okay,
even
yeah,
it ended up in Texas. I'm not sure though. But it took
How
six
did any
Oh.
Jew end up in Texas? That's
Oh.
what I want to
well,
know.
they were
it-
looking for oil.
And on the Ensfair. Später, hat gekauft European artwork and those who became wealthy after the gold rush, he sold to them from Gumps.
Okay, nice. Okay, I see that Louisa raised her hand. Louisa?
Yeah, I wanted to make a comment about Jewish immigration during the 1900s to the States, because this is from the point of view of the Jews who later came from the Ottoman Empire. So I read about the waves of Jewish immigration. So they came in waves. So the Germans were first, and then the Russian, Polish, Yiddish-speaking Jews came. So it was like, I don't have my Google beside me to look up. I have it somewhere that I cannot access right now. But there were waves of Germans, waves of Russians and Poles, and then they were always having that attitude towards the newcomers all the time. The same thing happened on the Sephardic side, because actually the first Sephardim came way before.
They were the first. That was the
They were
first.
first.
Rasif was a Ladino.
They came in 1654, and what happened was that usually the older community was looking down upon the recently arrived community, and not to mention the animosity between Ashkenazi Jews in general and Sephardic Jews in general anyway. which went on at also when the last wave of Sephardic Jews arrived at the beginning of the 20th century. The Sephardic Jews who were very well established were also looking down upon the ones that came. So here is the rivalry between the German immigration of Jews,
Right.
and then the Russian Polish immigration of Jews. That's what we're reading about right now.
Yes. Yeah. So just a moment, Mariv, Maurice and Morty. Mariv.
Yeah, I just want to say that's what happened in my family. My grandfather's two older brothers from Germany came over in like the 1890s or so just to make their fortune. There were German Jews who came over before World War II and had been here quite a while. Yeah.
But there was a big German immigration in the 1860s.
Exactly, that's what
it might even have been that closer to that. I don't remember the
And
date.
the Russian Polish immigration, the big one, was in the 80s until 1910.
Until the doors closed.
1920.
Yeah, I was
1921
gonna
was
say,
the
the
first
doors
immigration
closed.
law.
Right.
And it was specifically designed to keep Eastern European Jews and Eastern Europeans from coming here, and then that didn't work well enough, so they made it worse in 23.
So the early Germans had
it was another one.
The early Germans had a chance to get set up, start businesses and everything. They were quite established and had political ties in New York and
yes,
in a way, the German Jews were actually fairly separated from they created their own society and their own businesses and stuff like that. They tried to assimilate, but they eventually became assimilated. The Eastern European Jews did not want to assimilate at all. And that was the issue. That was the issue for the German Jews too.
I met a very distant family when I was doing genealogy. The mother remembered when they came, and that evidently from each part of Germany, they lived in a certain area of New York, and she knew everybody from where the old country. She knew their kids. They stayed within their known German
ghetto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the Yorktown on the Upper East Side of New York was very Germanic.
I think there were many of them. There were many of them.
Well, okay, but that was the main one. I guess.
There were non-Jews there too.
German. Well, that was the whole thing. It was a German community, and the German Jews felt very at home there, at least for a while.
Okay,
It's
Maurice.
similar with my family in Michigan.
Maurice, Wolfgang.
Yeah, I just wanted to mention, if anyone's interested in this conflict between German Jews and East European Jews, Yud Singer, I.J. Singer, he wrote a novel, which is really quite depressing, and it's called the Mishpocha Karnowski. But it's been translated a long time ago. It's called the Karnowski family, and it's about a Jewish fellow from either Poland or someplace in Russia who dreams of going to Germany, because in Eastern Europe there were pogroms and there was the Tsar and all these horrors, and he thought of Germany as a kind of a utopia, because Jews in Germany even in the 19th century, were allowed to go to gymnasium and university. They could be in all the professions. They could have their own political parties and so on. And he brings his family to Germany. And I think it's in the early part of either the late 19th or early 20th century. And it's his dream come true. But of course, the German Jews despise these East European Jews who are coming to become Germans. And it's a depressing book, but the whole thing has to do with this cultural clash, even though nominally they were all Jews, but in fact, they're very different. So it's called the family of Karnofsky. If you want to get depressed, you know,
Where's more?
get it.
You mean,
Just what we
you mean
need.
more
Marty,
depressed?
yeah,
That's just what we need to be depressed. That's just
Okay.
what we
More
Let's
more
say
depressed.
something.
We're already depressed. We don't want to be more depressed.
Okay.
Right.
Morty.
where is Morty?
He was patiently waiting and he disappeared.
Yeah, he's off now. It's not
We,
on.
we,
Okay.
we Googled the trip from New York to San Francisco. It took about 5 months. And also there were a lot of diseases, malaria. What was the other?
Yellow fever.
Yellow fever.
There's a famous book about it called 10 Years Before the Mast, if I remember correctly, that describes the grueling trip that they would make way around South America to pick up hides and for leather. And he describes California in the very early days when there were only little towns and mostly Spanish. I think it was 10 years before the mast. It was quite a trip.
Okay,
have
thanks,
something to
Henrietta.
say.
Henrietta.
My father's brother married a German woman. When they came to America, I've never understood how they got together. Tante Frida and her daughters did not want to have anything to do with our family. She was of German descent. Until the day she died, she went with her nose in the air whenever we were around. So that is, you're describing my Tante Frida.
Henrietta at
And I wanted
102.
you to know that this is a fact in some lives.
Henrietta, at 102 years old, you shouldn't be asking the questions how a man and a woman got together. You should know this already.
Listen, I asked my father at one point, why did he get together with my mother from Bessarabia? And he said all the German Jews he knew when he got to New York were so, what do you call it, stolid and boring and, what there's a better word, but anyway, and then my mother and my booba were into Yiddish theater and music and having
They were
parties.
exciting. They were exciting.
You know, if you guys, there's an amazing story. It's in English by a writer named Grace Paley. It's Goodbye and Good Luck.
Yes.
It is
Paley,
an
yeah.
absolutely wonderful story.
She's amazing.
It's about it's set in the Yiddish theater a bit too. It's a great story. Grace Paley is called Goodbye and Good Luck.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Louisa?
A wonderful writer.
Oh, amazing.
Louisa?
Yeah, the Jews in Germany in particular had the illusion that they actually could assimilate in society, particularly in the 19th century, which is why many prominent Jews converted to Christianity. And the Jews in Germany tended to despise Yiddish as a jargon compared to German, so they tended not to want to speak Yiddish. And I think that part of this, if you go to the Berlin Museum, the Jewish Museum in Berlin, there is a whole room devoted to Jews who had converted to Christianity, thinking that they would become part of the German society, but who were ultimately proven never to be part of the German society. And I think that this may be related to the ideas of the 19th century that began in France after Napoleon, which really pervaded all of Western Europe at the time, of modernity, of deep nationalistic pride, and the fact that they thought that they were really becoming the contemporary, modern, civilized, very developed society, as opposed to the Jews. So I'm going to say that in Germany and in France, remember Germany was a bunch of separate states anyway for a long time. So it was just different things put together later on. And so it began in France, but it extended all over Europe, all this concept of modernity, and especially the acceptance of Jews as equals as a consequence of the Napoleonic laws, beginning in France and spreading all over Europe, as opposed to the ideology in the eastern part of Europe, where the Jews were still part of the Pale of Settlement and they had absolutely no rights, so that they had a different type of motivation to continue to continue their own self-segregation, because they really had to in order to survive as Jews.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Luisa. Daniel, and we will stop.
So,
Daniel.
yeah, I just want to build a little bit more on Luis. I think you're absolutely right. When the nation state became something you could opt into, and even by that point, Yiddish had essentially been dying out in Germany since around the 1780s and 90s. Goethe actually spent a good bit of time trying to learn Western Yiddish, because even by that point, it was in such decline that it was like a curiosity. But yeah, the people, the Jews who managed to, tried, in some cases did manage to become German or become American. With my own family, I'll matter of factly tell you, like, I have no idea who the last Jew in my family is. My great-grandfather was said to have spoken Yiddish or German with the Jewish butchers in town, but he never thought of himself as Jewish. His entire family outright denied any Jewish connection whatsoever. And, if he did speak German, it does stand to reason he probably could have spoken with the Yiddish butchers, but I just simply don't know. I assume that it was a not uncommon thing for those to convert, that some of them did manage to fade into the German community in America. But obviously, especially, once the Nazis there came to rise, it sort of didn't matter what your religion was in the eyes of the state.
Yeah, that museum in Germany is really, forgive me for commenting, but it's really amazing, because you have all the big names like the Mendelssohns and the musicians, writers, politicians, everybody converted. And the point is that even though they converted, they were never accepted. And there's a whole room devoted exactly to that, to the failure of that intent to belong.
It depends maybe where in Germany. It depends on the community.
No, I'm saying back then,
Yeah.
back then.
Anyway, happy Hanukkah to everyone.
Happy
Great story.
2025. Chag Sameach. Happy
Chag
2025. And I see you all, hopefully, sei gesund in the new year.
Great story.
Yeah.
Great story,
Yeah.
Nina. Toda.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Happy New
Bye.
Year.
Bye.
Happy
Minna,
New Year.
did you ever get Nellie Teuberman's correct email?
Oh yeah, I have it. I will send it to you.
Send
I
it
have
to me.
it.
Thank
I
you.
have Nelly's new
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Freilichen Chanukah.
Freiliche